right, today's workout is going to be a nice little fun one. It's going to test our grip, and it's going to be dumbbell box step overs coupled up with some ring muscle ups. The goal here is to be working on a 3-minute clock, and it's going to be followed by 3 minutes of rest. The workout starts off with 2 dumbbells up in the hang position, and we'll go ahead and step up and over 20 times. If you need to, you can go ahead and scale this by getting rid of 1 dumbbell or getting rid of both dumbbells and just doing the step up and over. When we step up, you don't necessarily need to be facing the box. You can go sideways, and as we stand up and over, you do not need to stand and extend your hips. What I do recommend that when you're stepping over, to not have dumbbells in your hand and step down. Okay, this is a little bit more of a counterweight, and it's going to probably pull you a little bit more forward, and it'll make it slightly uncomfortable, okay? And then there's more tendency to kind of trip or stumble. So if you are stepping down, I like to go ahead and step like across. It makes things a little bit easier. Again, we're doing 20 reps, and then with the time remaining in that 3 minutes, we're going to jump up and do some ring muscle ups. Now in our warm-up, we'll have a lot of different progressions for the ring muscle up, and if we need to scale, we can go ahead and scale to ring dips, or we can scale to bar dips, okay? So that's going to be the primary scale. Some of the other scales will be possibly doing some ring muscle up attempts. That's only if you are close and we are working on probably getting the catch of the ring muscle up and working that transition, okay? So again, if we are scaling this, it will be scaled to dips, and we're going to just focus on really strengthening that position in that press, okay? So this is going to be a fun one. It's going to be 4 rounds, okay? Each round is on a 3-minute clock, and it's followed by 3 minutes of rest. So you'll need to make sure that you have a good solid 25 minutes to kind of move through this workout at an even pace. And I do recommend, if you're working with somebody, you can use the same box, possibly the same rings, all right? Because we know that you're not going to spend the whole 3 minutes doing the step overs, so we can go ahead and alternate basic minutes. I go on 1 minute, 3-minute clock, and then while I rest, my partner goes, okay? So we're going to be able to move through this seamlessly today. It's going to be a lot of fun. Make sure you warm up properly before you hit these dips or these muscle ups, and have fun.